These are the newest flagship earbuds from Huawei, the FreeBuds Pro 5. These earbuds promise key upgrades in sound quality, noise cancellation, design, and performance. So we partnered with Huawei to put these earbuds through our SoundGuys testing lab and see how they hold up. Let's dive into all the key features that you need to know about, starting with the most important part, sound quality. Since the FreeBuds Pro 5 are the top earbud offering from Huawei, they offer some pretty impressive sound quality specs. The FreeBuds Pro 5 support lossless listening with Huawei's L2HC 4.0 audio codec, enabling up to 2.3 megabyte per second transmission with 48 kHz and 24-bit lossless audio when paired with compatible Huawei devices. This allows greater dynamic range and more detailed reproduction of audio information compared to standard Bluetooth earbuds, provided that you are using a supported device. It's kind of like looking at a pixel art image versus a high resolution image. There's simply more data there to enjoy. The earbuds also support dual device connection over Bluetooth, allowing simultaneous pairing with two devices, which is a nice plus. Inside each earbud, the dual drive acoustic system combines a low frequency dynamic driver and a high frequency microplanar diaphragm unit. Imagine that instead of one conductor in charge of the whole orchestra, you have two different conductors. One that handles the bass instruments like a tuba and one for the upper melodies like the flutes. That's basically what's going on here. Instead of relying on a single driver to reproduce the entire frequency range, this system assigns low and high frequencies to separate driver units. The goal is improved control across the spectrum, lower distortion, and better overall clarity. Huawei specifies bass extension down to 10 Hz and high frequency extension all the way up to 48 kHz. The company also claims a 45% reduction in low frequency distortion and 100% improvement in high frequency performance compared to the previous generation of these earbuds. By separating the drivers and optimizing internal airflow with dedicated vents, the system aims to maintain bass precision while preserving brilliance in the upper frequencies. In our testing, we found that these earbuds do offer impressive bass and treble extension. Here you can see the frequency response of the FreeBuds Pro 5 as measured in our SoundGuys lab. The earbuds offer a lot of sub-bass below 100 Hz, as well as a treble boost around 7 kHz. When listening to my reference track Get Lucky by Daft Punk, I noticed that the bass line is strong, but there's still ample details on the vocals, guitars, and drums. Drum transients stand out in the mix, in part from that treble boost at 7 kHz. If you want to tweak the default sound, there are a few different EQ presets you can try out in the Huawei Audio Connect app, as well as a full custom EQ and an adaptive EQ that will dynamically adjust the sound over time. In addition, the FreeBuds Pro 5 possess independent spatial audio computing capability, which can increase the width and immersiveness of any audio source. Now, if you plan on listening to music in a variety of environments, well, you'll want good noise cancelling. Huawei says that these are the world's first dual driver ANC earbuds. That means that these earbuds use both the dynamic driver and the microplanar diaphragm unit to block out low frequency and high frequency noise. These earbuds also use an AI perception model to process noise 400,000 times per second. By combining hardware and AI-driven processing, the earbuds continuously adapt to changing surroundings to improve isolation and maintain a stable listening environment. In our testing, we see that these earbuds are an improvement over their predecessors in this regard. The FreeBuds Pro 5 block out an average of 57% of external noise without ANC enabled and 82% of external noise with ANC turned on. The FreeBuds Pro 5 also include an awareness mode, which enhances environmental transparency so you can hear important sounds around you. Conversation awareness automatically lowers playback volume when you begin speaking, then restores it when the conversation ends. There's also adaptive volume, which automatically adjusts playback loudness based on ambient noise conditions. Together, these features integrate noise management into everyday use without requiring constant manual adjustments. I'm now talking through the microphones on the FreeBuds Pro 5. The microphone system prioritizes vocal presence while reducing background interference. With the AI noise processing, the earbuds are designed to preserve clarity during calls even when you're in wind or crowded conditions. Let us know what you think of the microphone quality in the comments down below. With all the tech specs out of the way, let's just take a moment to talk about the design of these earbuds, as there are some cool things to point out here, such as the diamond cut metallic detailing on the stem of the earbuds. Now you can get these earbuds in 4 different colors: sand, white, gray, and blue. The sand, white, and gray charging cases use an excimer film coating designed for a very soft texture. The blue version, on the other hand, features a vegan leather finish with a fine grained surface that is resistant to scratches and fingerprints. The charging case here is 5.5% smaller than the previous generation, and it incorporates a concealed hinge for a more seamless design. It also includes a 4-color ring indicator that displays battery and pairing status. When it comes to the earbuds themselves, Huawei conducted extensive research to ensure that these earbuds fit as many earbuds as possible. The company analyzed over 10,000 ear samples to find the ideal fit for most people. Compared to the previous generation, these earbuds are 10% smaller and 6% lighter. 4 silicone ear tip sizes are included, ranging from extra small to large. The earbuds support a wide variety of controls, including swipe, tap, and pinch gestures. You can swipe to adjust volume, tap or pinch to control playback and calls, and press and hold to switch between noise cancellation modes. These controls can all be customized within the companion app. There are also head gesture controls, so you can answer or reject a call just by shaking your head. If you're looking for workout earbuds, you'll be happy to know that these carry an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance, providing protection against sweat and splashes. The charging case is also rated IP54 for some mild water resistance. In our standardized battery testing, we found that the FreeBuds Pro 5 lasts 9 hours and 8 minutes of playback on a single charge. With the charging case, Huawei says that you can get up to 38 hours of total playback time. These figures position the earbuds for full-day use across work and leisure scenarios. All in all, if you're looking for a premium true wireless solution focused on immersive sound, advanced noise control, and intelligent everyday functionality, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5 present a comprehensive feature package. They are officially available for £179. Until April 4th, they will be available for £149 with an exclusive £30 launch discount via the Huawei online store. You also get 12 months of Huawei Lost Care included. If you're interested in buying them, check out our link down in the description below. And thank you again to Huawei for partnering with us on this video. And until next time, as always, happy listening.